Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Forms with AI response routing easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open Google Forms in your web browser. Create a new form by clicking on the plus button. Add your desired title and description for the form. Next, include the questions you want to ask. Make sure to choose the appropriate question types for each entry. Now, to implement AI response routing, go to the Responses tab. Click on the three vertical dots to access the Options menu. Select Response Destination. Choose whether to create a new spreadsheet or use an existing one. If you're using a new spreadsheet, click Create. Once your responses are linked to a spreadsheet, open Google Sheets in another tab. In the Google Sheets file, navigate to Extensions in the menu. Select Apps Script to open the script editor. In the script editor, you'll need to write a function to process responses. Use JavaScript to analyze the responses based on your criteria. For instance, you can utilize conditional statements to direct answers to different folders or individuals. Define the triggers for your function to run automatically upon form submission. Click on the clock icon in the toolbar to add a trigger. Choose on Form Submit from the trigger options. Now, save your script and give it an appropriate name. Return to your Google form and test it out. Fill out the form to see how responses are processed. Check the linked Google Sheets to verify the routing is functioning as intended. Adjust your script as needed based on the testing results. After final adjustments, your Google Forms will now intelligently sort responses using AI. Celebrate your new automated workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.